Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. Welcome to day 22 of snowing through my minis in January. And we are making some really good progress. I have my $7 today. I was trying to see if I could bring a 5 today because I'm making the binder pretty bulky with all these ones. So we're going to add $7 to our little minis bank. And I bought the dashboards from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner that I'm going to use for February. I'm really excited. It's super cute. I love the little colors of the pinks and all that. And I think I'm already figuring out what shirt I'm going to wear. So I have that whole look, but I don't have the decor yet. So it's all coming together, but not quite yet. All right, so let's get our little cards. Do a little mix up. We're starting on number 6. Day 22. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Good start. 1 and 2. You'll have to let me know if it's snowing where you are. 1 for 8. 2 for 9. 1 for 10. I feel like 10 keeps getting 1s. 1 for 1. Oh, 1 for 2. Oops. I skipped 3. 3 for 3 though, that's fun. And then 4 is getting 3. 5 is getting 3, and then we are back at 6. So let's put this on number 7. Scoot that out of the way. Thank you for your assistance, Brian. All right, so we are going back to 1. Look how poofy everything is. All right, 1 got 25 cents. It's so poofy. And we needed 50 to finish. So this one's hanging around another day. So this one's from Amy by Nature. Love it. 2 got 75 cents. So it got 1 prop coin, but it got 75 cents. So this one is from Budgeting with Bree, 1487. So 25, 50, and 75. So we're down to 50 cents, and that one will be done. Number 3 got $1. And this is from Greta at Agape Book Club. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. Cute. And then 25. So we have 75 cents going into number 4. Oh, we just needed 50. Oh my goodness. All right, 1 and 2. I didn't think we were going to finish this one for a while. It helped that the other day we had so much money. So this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we finished it. So we have 25 cents. We have 25 cents left over. So let's pick one. Another one from Bookish Mama Budgets. Look at how cute it is. I want whatever that drink is. It's cute. All right, so. All right, and then number 5. Ooh, number 5 got $1. This one is from Budget with Carly. So we have 25, 50, 75, and $1. So one more dollar, and this one will be done. All right, so, oh my goodness. All right, so we have 50, 25, so $1. $1, 25 for number 6. This one is from Pink Plum Budgeting. But first, champagne. So 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25. Beautiful. All right. Ooh, $1 going into number 7. This one is from Financial Dreams with Christine. She has a bunch of like TV shows, and movies. So this is Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. So $25.50, $75, $1. So 75 more cents, and that will be done. Number 8 got 25 cents. This one is from Savings with Tracy. So we'll do one of the beads. And then number 9 got 50 cents. Oh, this is from Bookish Mama Budgets. Little summer. So cute. So $25.50. This will save us $4. And then last but not least, 10 got 25 cents. This one is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. This was in her 2025 book that I did last year. All right, so we finished one. So we can go back to our minis bank. We need $5. Let's just take a chunk. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then our prop coins. And then go back to completed, and we can put $5 in here. And then our completed one there. Yay, we did it. I love it. Okay. Oh, I did it. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me another day. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you're saving along with me and how you did today. And let me know if it's snowing where you are. And I hope you have a fantastic day. And until next time, take care. Bye.